Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So you can see this is website www.gigabyte.com. So you have to come on this website first, and then right hand side you can see this is search button. Just click on it, then enter the model number of your motherboard and then hit enter. Then click on the product and click on the name of the then click on support. Then select your operating system Windows 10 11. So both installations process same. So first audio driver. So guys, one by one I'll download. After that I show you installations. So audio driver and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. Scroll down. Chipset, INF installer and serial driver. So both required for the chipset. Download one by one. LAN driver, Ethernet driver, internet driver, same. Click to download. Then VGA driver, display driver, graphic driver, you can say like that. Click to download, it will start downloading. Then WLAN and Bluetooth means Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Extracts, so first Bluetooth and download. And this is Bluetooth driver, so just click to download. Okay, you can just click on this icons. It is downloading start. You just click this icons where it is downloading, means open these locations in the file and it complete, and then show you how installations. So this is your driver. Okay, so one by one just extract first. So right click and show more, extract all. Okay, and same locations. If you have two other locations, so you can browse and change it, otherwise you just click to extract. It is completed. So after complete it will open, so just close it. Then LAN driver, so right click, show more and click on extract all. Then same location, same close. Then chipset driver, extract all, same location. So one by one extract all. Then last Realtek audio. Okay, this is extracted. So this 5 data is extracted. So first open one, just select the right click, run as administrator. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting to your system. So you can see this is Intel SD graphic driver. So might be it will take some time to install. Okay, because this is heavy file, heavy driver. So wait few seconds and will automatically close it. So means this is installed and then close it. Again go to this folder. So this one completed. Then this LAN driver. Then LAN driver. Open one by one, download and just open and double click and then click on yes. Now you can see this is first extract. Real Ethernet control device. Then next. Now this is installing driver. And then okay. And then finish it. Then back. Then serial means chipset driver. So find out setup. Just right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. Then finish next to install. Okay. This is INF update. So this is also for same for chipset. So just this is setup chipset. Just right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. Then next accept installed. And then okay. Then last one. And this is pending, graphic card pending. So graphic card, just select right click and run as administrator. Now you can see this is installing. And it is closed, then done. So you can guys one by one install, find out setup. So this is setup exe, right click, then run as administrator, and then yes. Now you can see this is installing. Then next. And no, and finish. After you install the all driver, after that restart your system.